Mahindra and Mahindra's very popular SUV for many years has been Scorpio. Scorpio is one of the best-selling SUVs in the country. It features in the list of best-selling SUVs every month. Mahindra Scorpio price in Mumbai start at Rs 11.98 lakh for the base model, and the most priced model of Mahindra Scorpio is priced at Rs 15.52 lakh. We bring you the list of shortlisted accessories for your Mahindra Scorpio, which will not only enhance its look but also keep it safeguarded. Scorpio Chrome Headlamp Garnish Set Pack of 2, built with the best quality automotive grade ABS material with 40 micron chrome plating finish, salt spray tested to ensure a long lasting glossy finish. This will cost you Rs 1064. Scorpio Chrome Tail Lamp Garnish Set Pack of 2, high quality chrome plated tail lamp garnish creates a premium look. This will cost you Rs 1421. Scorpio Remote Locking Kit, central locking kit with remote, lock unlock vehicle door through remote. This will cost you Rs 3499. Scorpio Front Upper Grille Chrome Insert Set, superior quality OE grade chrome plating for a long lasting finish, salt spray tested to avoid corrosion on the chrome plating and keep it shining and glittering for a long time. This will cost you Rs 1957. Scorpio Rain Visor Set Pack of 6 pieces, improves ventilation by allowing windows to be lowered in the summers and monsoons, reduces stuffiness and condensation during monsoon season. This will cost you Rs 1482. Universal Floor Mats Smoke Grey Set of 5 pieces, 5 pieces premium PVC molded washable floor mats, wrinkle free and does not crack. This will cost you Rs 1276. Scorpio Stainless Steel Rear Guard, 76 mm buffed stainless steel rear guard, robust 4-point securing system. This will cost you Rs 3399. Scorpio Black Red PU Seat Cover 7-seater side facing with armrest, premium grade seat covers for a ultra lavish look and feel, made from durable PU material for unmatched protection. This will cost you Rs 6842. Scorpio Sky Right Set, OE Sky Right Set for Scorpio with permanent body mounting, load bearing design. This will cost you Rs 4467. Scorpio Tweg Body Cover, highly water resistant Tweg material stitched using tough and durable threads, exclusive Mahindra branding. This will cost you Rs 4056. So these are some of the shortlisted accessories for your Mahindra Scorpio. If you want to know about any other accessory other than this, do let us know in the comment section. And also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.